Alright, this is Big Explosion, Part 4. Alright, which car you want to start with?
Let's start with one that I'm close to right here.
Alright.
Okay. Upload. Alright, let's do this.
It's like not igniting.
It will. Okay, what the hell?
Dude, it's not, and I'm running out of ammo. Try a different car. Try a different car.
Alright.
Try this blue one. You're not even hitting the car.
Go.
It's on fire.
There we go. Oh yeah.
I don't think this explosion will have sound on my camera. Okay, yeah, like everything is on fire at once.
Yeah.
And of course I'm gonna stand right next to it.
Oh my god.
Dude, everything is like, oh my god!
Holy shit.
Stuff is still on fire back here, dude.
Holy crap.
Dude, this is ridiculous.
Best explosion so far.
Nah, I think I liked part 3 better. This one is still on fire, and it's gone. That's part 4 of our big explosions.